So this is in addition to the Kobalt Mower series I've been putting together. We're heading into our 5th season of using that mower. Last season, 4th season, the 2.5 battery was getting a little weak. And the 4.0 battery was not quite performing like it had been, but the 2.5 is only good for about 10 or 15 minutes of mowing now. The other one you can get about a half hour out of still. It used to be about 40 minutes, 45 minutes. So it has been, 4 years of use. So I went ahead and bought a new battery, and I'm going to try to take the 2.5 apart and reload it with lithium cells. But I wanted to buy one new one just in case I hose that project up. So I did buy the 5. This was not available when we first purchased our mower. They only had the 4 amp hour and the 2 amp hour were the only 2 available. So they now have a 5 amp hour battery. Not sure when it came out, but I'm going to give it a try. The reviews on Lowe's site weren't spectacular on this, but they're not spectacular on any of the batteries, really. I think some people have had issues, and I don't know, what the deal is with that. These are not cheap. I kind of hesitated even to buy it. They did not carry them in the store. I had to order it online, and so all said and done, it was like $160 with tax for this battery, which is about half the cost of buying a new mower. So you've got that. If you got to buy 2 batteries, do you just go buy a new mower? I don't know. They're pretty expensive. Anyway, battery comes obviously all plugged in here. These do not come charged, so I'm going to have to charge this up on the charger overnight. But they've changed the look of them a little bit, and it is the 5 amp hour unit. So later on I'll do a video on how this performs, and probably some point over the summer I'm going to take apart the 2.5 amp hour battery that I've got and see if I can buy some cells and just put some cells in it and reload that pack myself. Because if you look inside here, and it's not going to show real well in the video, there's just those little Torx with the key in the center. So I'm thinking these come apart fairly easy. So we'll see if we can reload them. Anyway, 5 amp hour Kobalt battery. Look for a video coming up on that, actually in use on the lawnmower. I think between this and the 4 amp I should make it through the summer, no problem. This should do both yards by itself, is my guess, but time will tell. Anyway, thanks again for watching. Please subscribe below.